Hi, in this video we'll be adding a second language spell check to Firefox. To do that, we first have to open up Firefox, which I will do any second. There we go. And let me go to a page where I can show you that the spell check doesn't work for a second language. In this case, Danish. So here I'm writing, "Hi, my name is Adam," and we can see that the words that don't exist in English are marked as spelled incorrectly. To add Danish, we right-click and go down to Languages and add Dictionary. On this page, we can choose any language we wish, but I'm choosing Danish. So we go over here to Danish and click Add to Firefox. Yes, we want to add it. And okay, we understand it's an extension. When we go back to the page with the Danish text, we can right-click and change the language to Danish. There we go, a second spell check in Firefox. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video is useful.